This is Matt, and today we're gonna see how to sell on Facebook Marketplace. So in order to sell on Facebook Marketplace, obviously we need to be signed in Facebook. So after we sign in, we need to head over the Marketplace section where we are able to see all the items for sale nearby us, so in the range that we put on our account. And in order to sell on Amazon Marketplace, we need to head over this tab and then click on create new listing. So this will allow us to create a listing for either an item, a vehicle, or a home for sale or rent. In our case, I'm gonna do an example for an item. So I'm gonna click here. Then what you want to do is either add photos and videos, and I really recommend this because it's proven that selling something with either a photo or a video is much more likely to sell. So in this case, I'm gonna add photos. I already put them in the desktop. I saved them here. I'm gonna do open. And they're gonna upload in a random order, so you can always drag and drop them to put them in the order that you prefer. After you do this, you can scroll down and fill out the title. I've already copied before, so I'm gonna paste it, and here you're gonna have a preview of what the listing is gonna look like. So for me, it's like an Edelcron Slider Plus Pro Medium with the steady module that I'm trying to sell. So obviously for the price, you want to practice somewhat around what other listings are selling for. In my case, this one would sell around $280, and then we need to choose a category, and for us is in electronics and cameras and accessories and tripods and supports. The condition of this item are basically in good condition, either good or like new, that depends on your item. And for the description, I always put something very simple, something like I am selling this Edelcron Slider Pro Medium with the steady module in great condition. Let me know if you have any questions, and I will reply as soon as possible. Something like this, very simple, giving a short description of how the product looks like, what it is. Something like this always works for me. I never put a retail price or these are like options that come out after you select your category, so they're always gonna be different. And color, I've never used this. For product tags, they are very helpful because they help people find your product when they search something in the search bar on Marketplace. So for us, we want to put maybe the brand, so Edelcron and a slider, camera slider, photography slider, something like this, to give people option and make it easier for them to find the listing. So this one, I never do this, or either this. If you want to hide it from friends, you can turn on this option. This one is a paid option, so it's gonna boost your listing to people around the area, but it's paid. I never done it. I always sold all my items, just publish them as they are. If you are offering shipping, maybe this might be a good idea, but let me know down below in the comment section so I can do a step-by-step tutorial on how to set this up and select the right audience for your ad. But after you've done these main things, you can then click on next, select your location, and for me it's just local pickup because I never offer shipping. In order to offer shipping, you need to set it up and you need to put an address, some data, verify it, and then you will be able to offer shipping, but I never used it. If you guys again want to know more about this option, just let me know in the comment and I'm gonna set it up and then show it to you guys how it works and my feedback on it. But once we have selected our location, we can go ahead and click next. And here, one thing that I always do that help a lot to boost my sales for free is to join some Facebook group around the area that I live, specific on something that I'm selling. So let's say that this is a movie, a filmmaking equipment, piece of equipment. So as you can see, I have cinema camera, use and buy. This is only camera, but buy and sell, grip and lighting. So this one might be good. Cinematographer, this is good. Then I have other all type of groups of things that I have sold in the past. Like I sold musical instruments, so I would join all this group and then select those. But once you're done with this, you would just go ahead and go and click publish, and Facebook will automatically publish your listing on Marketplace and on all those Facebook groups that we selected previously. As you can see, now it's active, and this is how you create a listing on Facebook Marketplace. Let me know guys if you have found this tutorial helpful, and if so, please like this video and subscribe for more content.